old tobacco. Dangerous habit. Slowly killing me. Eating away at my immune system.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
It's not bad, eh? So you fancy coming for a drink tonight, eh?
Actually, I'm got the out with Davey, I think, so give that a miss.
What was that?
Aye. Alright, I guess so.
Alright, yeah. Good. I'll see you.
See you later.
See you.
If you ask me, Facebook's gone to shit ever since Jesse Eisenberg got a hold of it. Just check the old tweets here.
Cheers.
Guess I'll see you later, Steve. Roscoe, I don't know who you are anymore. Oh shit, pushed all over my feet. Another shite day, eh, Roscoe? First of all, Davey calls me a scumbag, and then he calls me a fudging asshole, just to round it off. Rounding his wee bald head. Good one. What? Go home, tan a Scotch egg, forget about it. Aye, that's a plan, Roscoe. That's a plan and a half. What? Some days you're better off staying in bed. Kevin Murray had it right.
Alright, Roscoe, how's it going, man?
Well, actually, a bit depressed lately. Not going too well.
What was that?
Pretty good, like.
Alright, man. Catch you later.